testing. So hardness is the resistance of an object to indentation, and there are 3 key tests that can be conducted to test the hardness of the surface of a material. So you have the Brunel test, the Vickers test, and the Rockwell test, and they are all differentiated based on the applicator that they use. So the applicators have different shapes, and that's what causes the key differences. All of these are used to test the resistance of a material's surface to indentation, and this can reveal whether a material will wear if it's in direct use, such as if you're making gears for a car, you want them to have a high hardness so that they are resistant to wear when it's rubbing against each other. So the Brunel hardness test uses a cement carbide ball, and it is best for casings and forgings, and a key characteristic of it is that it is quick and accurate. The Vickers test uses a 4-sided diamond period indenter, and it is able to have variable load pressures, so the hydraulic applicator which presses down this indenter is able to be varied very specifically, and it is best for testing precision parts, testing casing depths, coatings, wires, and thin materials. The Rockwell test uses a rounded diamond cone, and it is a quick and repeatable test. It is best for materials with non-smooth surfaces, because what it does is if you have a rough surface, like something like this, it indents a little bit first to create a smooth surface, and then it's pulled back out and indented a second time at a deeper depth to make sure it's always impacting a smooth surface. So it is good for when the material is initially not smooth, and it's also good for metals, alloys, precision parts, wires, and plastics. As you can see in this top right corner, a standard hardness test machine might look something like this. You've got a gauge up there that tells you the force that's being applied to the object, and you've got your indenter which will be attached there, and this is usually a hydraulic ram that is used to press into that material. And an easy way to remember the differences of these tests is the first letter of each name. So Brunel starts with a B and it has a ball, and Vickers starts with a V, it uses a diamond pyramid. Diamond pyramids kind of have a V shape as their cross section. Rockwell starts with an R and it uses a rounded diamond cone. So that's a quick and easy way to remember which is which.